I am obsessed with this air fryer. This is the Ninja Foodi DualZone extra large double basket air fryer. This is everything you will ever need in a kitchen appliance, and I cannot even believe how excited I am about this. We've had this for a couple years now. It is by far the best kitchen appliance we have. So let me show you a little bit more about it. This is it in all its glory. Again, this is my most favorite. It has replaced the microwave, the toaster oven, everything. We use this every single day, multiple times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you can match cook. So if you have a big family and you have a lot of things to make, you can use both baskets at the same time with the same setting, same time, same everything, and they will cook at the same time. You can also cook separately. You can not match cook, and you can have something cooking in here. Let's say you have some fries to make and then you also want to do some vegetables. So you can do it on either side. There's different settings: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, keep warm. You name it, it does it. And it is the best purchase we have made in a really long time. I cannot say enough amazing things about this. It's easy to clean. There's no openings here. So the way we clean it is you fill it with some water and soap and then cook it for a little bit, and it helps really get all the gunk out, and so it's so easy to clean. Again, I cannot say enough amazing things about this. Definitely get one of these and you can change your cooking life forever.